Babs, I've been looking all over for you. What are you doing here?
This is my hometown, Peter. It's where I grew up. In fact, as a rebellious teen, I used to come down to this boardwalk and feed Alka-Seltzer tablets to the Seagulls.
I tell you, it's a good day, Stewie. Now that cat cafe is gone, I can finally get back to my favorite bar and do some writing.
Whoa, sorry. Can't let you in there.
What? I come in here all the time.
Well, apparently due to some recent public health concerns, the city has said that no animals of any kind are allowed in any public establishment.